so today we're going to be reviewing these lovely silicone baking cups. So you can go ahead and start putting them in there.
I got this, so you can put one at a time. That's what you see these nothing on it. So that put one, they take it out, they eat it. What is that?
Okay, we'll go ahead and put them in there, put them all in there, show how they go in there. So I like using these baking cups because they help to keep your pan a little bit cleaner.
Are you spray them on there that you're not using?
Yes, we'll spray them in just a little bit.
Yeah. You put spray on here then.
Right. So this is a way, like when you're making like little omelet cups or something like that, that most of the time they say in the recipe to put them directly into your baking cups. Then it makes it very difficult to clean out this pan, and you can even see there's some spots in here still from me trying to get a good scrub on getting all of that out. So I prefer, because I've done that before, and then I learned about these baking cups, and they are a lot better for keeping things clean, and they come out more easily.
I done.
Yes, and we're all done.
You can start getting one purple.
No, well, you can. Well, yes, you can make games with it, and you can match the colors and everything. Sure, I've heard that people use them to put little snacks in for the kids.
You can match it. You can take those somewhere else. You can make them muffins at your birthday party.
Yeah, perhaps. Yep, we've used them for muffins before too, and the muffins have come out really clean.
We can make that at Charlotte's birthday. We can do that at Charlotte's birthday party.
Maybe.
Okay.
So basically, they can be purchased for $1 from Walmart for about 8 of them. So I purchased them from Walmart just to try them out, to see what I thought about them, and I've been impressed so far. Yes.
I put the purple ones here because they match.
Okay, it's putting all the matching colors together. Okay. And then also, I'll put a link in the description for Amazon. And you can buy some from Amazon, and I'm going to purchase the Amazon ones eventually because they come in different shapes, like stars and hearts and different things like that. So if you want to make heart-shaped muffins or heart-shaped omelet bites or anything like that, then you can purchase the ones from Amazon and make nice little fun little shapes. So I'll do that in the future. So wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. So she lined up all of her muffin cups so that they coordinate in color.
The matchy colors.
They all match. Yes, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah, you should I want this matchy every day.
So you put all in the columns, right? Put all the same colors in the columns. Very good.
But you take one out and it don't match. They'll put the white one in here.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray. So you want to make sure to spray each of them so that it all comes out clean. And then, just when you're done with these, then you just rewash them and reuse them again. So I like how we're reusing and not wasting and throwing away paper cups all the time too. Okay, so we just want to show you real quick what the bottom of these baking cups look like. We slice zucchini, and we put zucchini on the bottom of most of them, and then we have tater tots on the bottom of some of them. So we're doing a variety of omelet bites today, or egg cups, or whatever you want to call them. So we'll show you the end result once we pour all the other ingredients in. We'll show you the end result and show you how nicely and clean they come out. Okay, so this is almost the finished product. We just have to sprinkle some cheese on top, but I wanted to show you what it looks like and what's going to be going into the oven. Now this one down here got a little bit too full, so some of it kind of spilled over the side, so I might have a bit of a mess in there. But this is what's going into the oven, so we'll put it in the oven and see how it comes out. Okay, here's a look at them before they come out of the oven. They're looking pretty good, and it looks like the cups are doing their jobs. And here's a look at them out of the oven. So we're going to wait a little bit and let them cool, and then we'll see how they come out. Alright, so I have let these wonderful omelet cups, or egg cups, whatever you'd like to call them, omelet bites, there are many names for them. I've let them cool for a little bit, so now we're gonna dig in, and I haven't even digged in, so we'll see if this is a success or not, but we're gonna dig in and look to see how easy. I think this one's gonna come out great, because it's, yep, look at that, perfect. And it, I mean, came out clean, so now this is clean, you don't have to worry about it. Awesome, I love these things. Let's try a few more and see. This is the one I think that kind of spilled over a little bit. Let's see how this one comes out. Ooh, really nice. And then let's try a tater tot one. I think the green ones had tater tots. And the one that spilled a little bit, you can see there's all of this stuff in here now, which is kind of coming out pretty easily, but that's the mess that you have to deal with when you don't use these silicone egg cups or silicone baking cups.